wonderful miners! This is Lucas from IceRiver EU, and today I'm here for you to show you how to set up your first miner. Let's presume just today you get your brand new miner through post like this. It came in a box like this, maybe a little covered with something else just to protection. We sometimes use black foil. Let's see how to set up this cute little monster. This is your first IceRiver AE1 Lite. What we see, there are some fans, don't cover them, and here you can see Ethernet port, some diagnostic lights, report IP, reset, SD card and Wi-Fi antenna. By this button you can turn it on, turn it off. With this miner you will need standard PSU cable that's coming to computers and every device like that. This miner has integrated power source inside, so you just plug this side into miner and this side to the wall. Yeah, like this more or less. So miner is offline, so let's turn it on and it should start doing something. Yes, it light up. It spin vents a little and we may connect the Ethernet cable. Just plug it in and it should start communicating with your network, negotiate its IP address, and it may show up on your computer. If these two lights both, it's starting up. When the red light turn off, it's boot up. Okay, it's working. It's mining. This machine is working right now. It's mining, but not on your wallet. It's mining on IceRiver's testing wallet or something like that. And first thing you need to do is set up your own wallet and your own pool. First, let's open the search bar. DuckDuckGo. And let's search IceRiver miner tools. Click on products and manuals tools. Products and tools. No, products, manuals and tools. IceRiver. Yes. Scroll down and let's open batch processing tool. Open batch processing tool. Okay, this is your welcoming interface. Here you can see miner IP, where you can set up network range. Just if you want to set up like 50 miners, you can do so. And then you can press start. It will scan all your network. Yeah, you can see 3 miners on our network right now. Like this, you can just select the IP address, double click. Okay, there are some default login information. And default username is admin and default password is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's log in. We have started mining. Oh, that's great. Okay, this is your main dashboard. Here you can see your actual hash rate, fan speed, and miner temperature. It's normal. This is just for your overview. Actual 1.5 minutes hash rate is 391 megahash per second and average hash rate 369. That's okay. Pool rejection rate 0%. That's great news. Okay, it's running for 6 minutes already. So here we go this is your hash rate graph, and this is a list of your mining pools. This is mining pool and this is wallet or registration user and worker name. We will go through details in a second. So next we have some list of hashboards. This miner has only one hashboard. You can have miner with 4 hashboards. I've seen biggest 4 hashboard miner, like Hydro miners are having 4 hashboards. You can restore factory settings. That is, I hope so, this interface, and you can soft restart this miner. There is your image of your version of firmware. You can take a look on IceRiver website for new firmware. Update your miner. It may or may not solve some problems, but usually if you have a problem with miner, try to update. And there is assigned IP address and hardware MAC address of this miner. Okay, let's go for mining settings. Okay, we are in Europe. Let's plug in better address. It's great to set up pool that is closer to you over the pool that is, well, like continents away, because higher latency causes slower communication. That means slower verification of hashes, and that also means lower hash rate, lower earnings and everything. You need wallet. You need some place where you store your coins. This is our address for our wallet. Okay, now we do have a wallet, and let's go back. Let's turn on this monsters, and let's check out pool. We are going to use whale pool. Welcome back. We may need to register on this pool. You may find some pool that is anonymous. It would be great, but for now, with whale pool, you need to register. You may set your own password and your own email. Yes, let's confirm. Now we are successfully registered on our pool. Oh, whale pool. Good worker. ALEO. So let's first select ALEO, a European. Let's log in again. Admin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. Mining setting and go for ALEO E1. Okay. Worker. Let's select this one. Select. And paste it here. On anonymous pool, this could be your wallet address. Yes. On registered pool, this is going to be your username or any other given name from pool. And after this dot, you can name your miner. And this is, what's his name? Let's name this miner. You are gonna be our little one. Little one. Yeah. Okay, password. I saw low worker. Password test. Let's go. Good password. Passwords are unnecessary actually, but yeah, one never knows. Okay, let's go home, and you can see we are mining on our user on our pool. Now we do have this everything, but we need to. Yeah, we are mining. Yeah, I can hear it. Okay. So, we have everything right now, but we didn't set up the wallet into your account on whale pool. By the way, this is main dashboard. You shall see in a minute. There should appear your miner, the little one. Refresh. Refresh. Let's add that ALEO wallet. Yes. Yes. This is our ALEO wallet. We will place it right here into ALEO address. Over here, who cares? It's my wallet. Leo. Yeah. And let's wait for it. Ah, new code. Okay. Don't tell anyone your codes. It's 095635. Let's confirm. Just don't forget to click the link in your email. During next 24 hours it should get working. Yes. Now, so let's check our miner. Our miner is working. We have our first 24-hour average hash rate, which is painfully small. You can see we have one miner online. Let's scroll down, and yes, that's all. On dashboard, you can see general information. On worker, you can see hash rate trend, which is some sort of average hash rate, and right here you can see it. There is our little one. This is it. We just set miner our mining pool account. You can follow the guide. It's, yeah, on miner side, it's kind of simple, but the pool, yeah, you need to do it just once. And then you can use whale pool or another pool as long as you want, you need. And yeah, we are mining. Next time we are going to set up another machine.